Let's explore all about word families. Let's start with, what are word families? Word families are sets of words that have something in common, like a family. Lots of times, word families are words that all have the same ending. Words that all have the same ending all rhyme. How do word families look and sound? Let's take a look at some examples. Can you hear how these words rhyme? Let's look at the app word family. Cap, clap, lap, map, nap, scrap, slap, snap, tap. Can you think of any other words that are part of the app word family? Now let's look at the ed word family. Bed, bled, fed, fled, led, red, shed, shred, sled, wed. Can you think of any other ed word family words? Now let's look at the in word family. Bin, chin, fin, grin, pin, skin, spin, tin, thin, twin, win. Or a fun word like penguin. Can you think of another in word family word? Next, we'll look at the add word family. When I'm all done looking at the list of words, I'm going to use them in some writing. Bad, dad, glad, lad, that's another word for boy. Mad, pad, sad. Or a long word like keypad. Here's some of the add words I'm going to use in my writing. Here's my add word family poem. Once I was bad, so my dad got mad. Dad said, no more iPad. For you, just write on a plain paper pad. It made me sad to see my dad mad. So I said sorry for being bad. That made my dad glad. Once I was bad, so my dad got mad. Dad said, no more iPad for you, just write on a plain paper pad. It made me sad to see my dad mad. So I said, sorry for being bad. That made my dad glad.